Hi everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software and on different topics related to civil engineering field. So, what are we going to discuss in today's video? Today, we are going to learn how to study an architecture plan and how to model it in 3D form. So, you will learn how to study the architectural plan in AutoCAD and how to model it in SketchUp. So, let's get started. This is our 2D plan, and you can see this is the ground floor plan, and here we have the parking. On the front, we have three shops. You can see this is shop 1, shop 2 and shop 3 with dimension of 10 feet 7 inch by 10 feet 6 inches. Now, we have an entrance over here, and here you can find a room with a toilet attached with it. Then we have the staircase through which you can go to the first floor, and if you will go to the right, then you will see a drawing room, also a bedroom, then a dining, kitchen, a common toilet and a master bedroom. Now let's go to the over here. You can see we have a 3 feet wide balcony, then reach the first floor through the staircase, and once we will go over here we will find that this is divided in two portions. On the back you can find a drawing room, a bedroom, a master bedroom, a common toilet, dining and a kitchen. You can also see that this is just the replica of ground floor. In the front you can find another 2 BHK. Here you can find the bedroom attached with the kitchen, and over here is our drawing cum dining room. Then we have the master bedroom here. This is our common toilet, and this is the toilet which is available for the master bedroom. And this is the passage through which you can go to the balcony. So before working on any 3D model, we will have to study the architectural plan first. So this was our 2D plan. Now let's see the 3D model of this. So you can see this is our G+1 building 3D model of the 2D floor plan that we have just studied. And over here you can see we have the three shops. This was the shop 1, shop 2 and the shop 3. Over here we have the balcony over here, and then this was our main entrance where we have the space for the parking. Now let's compare it with the 2D plan. So you can see the 3D model on the left and the 2D plan on the right. Over here you can match it. This was the three shops. You can see the three shops over here. Then other things will be hidden because they are at the back of the building. We can also see that if we will simply explode it and just dissect the whole building. Okay, but we are not going to do that because we will learn how this complete 2D plan was modeled in such a 3D form. Here you can match the first floor plan with the 3D model. In the front you have the balcony. On the right you can see the windows and the balcony. You can see we had the windows, and then we have also provided some of the groups so that it can look better. So to model any 2D plan, first of all we will have to import it, and before importing you need to keep in mind that you must make your 2D plan in block. Okay, so that was the first step. The next step is to make the code house. So in this second step, what we do? We will just drag the walls, and we will also make the windows and doors opening over here. So this was the second step. Let's quickly skip this step and see how it was modeled. So now you can see the code house for the ground floor has been completed, and now the slab has been modeled. Now we will quickly analyze the first floor plan, and then using the imported plan we will simply start modeling on it. And for that, once your code house is ready, that means you have drawn all the walls, you will have to simply leave the openings for the windows, and you know the sill level and the lintel level for the windows and the doors, ventilators, etc. So here we have used 2 feet 6 inch for the sill level. For the windows. For the ventilator, the sill level was 5 feet and the lintel level was common for the door windows and the ventilators, and that was 7 feet. So we are going to model it like that. In the third step, you have to work on the parapet walls. So you need to give it a beautiful design to the parapet in case it is demanded by your client. And you can also add other extensions over here. So for that you can see we have these extensions and we are working on the exterior now. So you can simply work on the exterior like this, and for that you can always take the help of the reference image. So if you are willing to work as a professional, then you must show your professionals a few reference images and you must take the ideas from them whether they want such a building or they want a different type of building. And for the reference image, you can choose the pictures from their locality or you can show them your previous projects, and similarly you can start working on it. So this was the reference image over here. Here we have reached where we want to do the exteriors, and the colors has already been filled over here, and you can see now we are doing the fixing of doors and the windows. Okay, so now I will simply skip a little forward and I will show you how this was modeled. So previously this project was meant to be G plus 2, but now it was converted into G plus 1. So according to the requirement of your client, you should always be ready for the modifications. And that was also done by our architect. So we have simply modeled it. After going through various stages, finally this project was converted to G plus 1. So you can see right now it is in a stage of G plus 2, and now we have to remodel it in this form. So you can try various designs over it, like this was the previous design that our architect has given to this model. And then after consulting with our client, we did a little bit of changes. So being an architect, what you need to do, you need to be ready if your client is suggesting any kind of change in your model. And if you are someone who is willing to learn how to make such a 3D model, then you can simply register on the link given in the description. And if you are someone who is willing to make the 3D model of his dream home, then you can simply contact on the number given in the description and we will definitely give you a response over the call, or you can simply text us on the same number. Till then, stay tuned to our channel for such more informative and interactive videos. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.